Hi everyone, and welcome to Montgomery County Community College, home of the Mustangs. My name is Michael Harcum, the Associate Director of Admissions and Dual Enrollment, and we are glad that you are here with us for our Spring Online Open House. We have tons in store for you today, but before we move forward, let me share a few technology tips. For the best experience today, we recommend that you use Google Chrome browser. If you're joining us from a mobile device or a tablet, it may be a good idea to disable your pop-ups. We have many esteemed faculty and staff members participating in today's events who are eager to meet you, share information, answer questions, and to assist you along your academic journey. Following our presidential welcome, be sure to stick around for instructions on how to best navigate this 1 hour long event. Next up, it's a great honor and pleasure to introduce Dr. Basteki Perez, the president of Montgomery County Community College. Ready, set, go.
Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Basteki Perez, president of Montgomery County Community College. Welcome to our Monco family, where we are committed to ensuring that all students receive what they need to be successful through the intentional design of the college experience. Your college experience, both in person and virtually, extends far beyond the classroom with clubs, athletics, essential needs support services, integrated learning, among others. As a first-generation college graduate, I know firsthand the importance of higher education and the profound impact it can have on one's life. As you attend various sessions and meet our Monco team, please ask questions and always reach out to our admissions team if you think of anything after your visit. Again, welcome and go Mustangs.
Thank you, Dr. Basteki Perez. My name is Catherine Browna, and I am one of the coordinators for admissions and dual enrollment. I'm here to give you a quick overview of how to navigate this online open house. Just below this video, you'll see our live community room. This is a perfect place to start for today's event. In there, you can chat with admissions staff who can answer your questions, get you connected to the proper resources, and help you with completing your next steps. We can act as your personal guide to Monco. Next, I encourage you to spend some time in each of our 4 live Q&A breakout rooms. These are available for the scheduled hour of this event. In the Student Support Services room, you can connect with many of Monco's resources to learn more about what we offer and how you can participate. Are you looking for ways to get involved outside of the classroom? Chat with student life and athletics. Need to connect with services like Veteran Affairs or Disability Services? Connect with them here. You'll also be able to learn about tutoring and options for adult learners. This is an incredibly friendly group, so I encourage you to stop by and chat with them. Next up is our Student Services Help window, which is where you can connect with financial aid, learn about payment plans, check your registration status, and more. In the Academic Division breakout room, you can learn about our various academic programs and workforce development opportunities. We have degree and certificate programs in many disciplines, so whether you're planning to just take a few courses with us or complete an associate's degree and then transfer, you'll want to see what we have to offer. The last live breakout room is Meet the Mustangs. Here, you can connect with current students to learn about their experiences and learn what it's like to be a Mustang. Toward the bottom of the page, you'll have access to a variety of videos you can watch to get more in-depth info about various aspects of the college. These videos will be available after our program has formally ended, so I encourage you to save these for after you've visited the live options. Enjoy your experience today. We look forward to meeting you.